There are now more ways to save at Quick Mart. Become a Quick Club member and easily earn rewards on qualifying purchases at Quick Mart convenience stores. To get started, visit fuelrewards.com/pro or download the app in the Apple App Store and Google Play.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We've been mostly sunny to partly cloudy across the area on this Wednesday afternoon, but especially in North Alabama, there have been a few scattered thunderstorms across the region today, especially near and south of the Tennessee River. We even had a severe thunderstorm warning earlier this afternoon in the 4 o'clock hour in the Huntsville metro area. By 6:30, 7 o'clock, those storms will be shifting out of our region and away from us, setting us up for a dry Thursday. Here's the Futurecast breakdown. I think by 7 o'clock, showers and thunderstorms are south of the viewing area and moving away. Mostly clear overnight. Now there's some drier air filtering in, dew points dropping into the 50s over southern middle Tennessee. So I think the computer model not handling the temperatures completely correctly. I think it may be a couple degrees cooler than what you see on the map here. Lower 60s, more likely over southern middle Tennessee, and mid 60s, low to mid 60s even over parts of North Alabama. Over here in the parts of Marshall County and southern and eastern Murray County, northeast Giles County, northern Lincoln counties in Tennessee, I could even see a 58 or 59 degree reading here and there toward daybreak. Mostly sunny here for our Thursday. Just a few clouds around in the afternoon. Daytime highs up into the upper 80s and lower 90s. And I think it's going to lean closer to the lower 90s. Futurecast underdoing those temperatures a couple of reasons in the afternoon also, like it has been doing here so far many days, this past several days into the past week or so. So I do expect lower 90s for many of us as we head into the evening, dropping out of the 90s and 80s into the 70s as we head into the evening. We'll be into the low to mid 60s overnight because moisture will be starting to come back for a few widely scattered to isolated thunder showers Friday afternoon into Friday night. Not expecting any widespread activity, but for the Friday evening high school football games, there could be 1 or 2 thunder showers around. Not expecting a huge impact. Now, this GFS model, not showing much activity for Saturday, but the European model, several other American computer models and things like that, the ensembles that we use are showing rainfall, and there is a disturbance moving through. And the models have had a tendency so far this summer that on the days we do get rainfall, they've under forecasted the coverage of it pretty consistently the past several months. So with all that adding together, when we figure out the forecast, I do think there will be some scattered showers around on Saturday, even though you don't see anything explicitly on this one single map with this one single computer model. That's not exactly how the forecast works. Isolated thunder showers possible Sunday, but I think the main activity is west of the area toward the Mississippi Valley into the southern plains. We'll start seeing an upper level low dipping into the southern plains early next week. That gradually inches closer to us as we head through next week as well. That begins to increase the chances of at least scattered showers and thunderstorms locally here in the Tennessee Valley, beginning on Monday and then continuing into a large part of the week. I don't yet see any signs of any widespread heavy rainfall, but we'll be watching for signs that we may need to up the rain chances next week as we get closer. As that pattern sets up, we see daytime highs relaxing out of the 90s back into the mid 80s or so. But for the next couple of afternoons here for tomorrow and Friday, we will be up into the mid 90s. Mostly clear skies for the overnight and the early morning hours. Just a couple clouds around here and there. The midpoint average morning low is going to be around the mid 60s or so, but I do think upper 50s to lower 60s are likely in southern middle Tennessee, and then mid 60s or so, especially south of the Tennessee River in North Alabama. There's going to be a range across the area as we get toward daybreak. Maybe some folks staying in the upper 60s south of the Tennessee River. Into the lower 90s with mostly clear skies as kids get off the bus in the afternoon after starting with mostly cloudy, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies into the morning hours as kids head towards school in the morning around 7 o'clock or so. So mostly sunny here for a Thursday. A few isolated thunder showers in the afternoon, evening, and nighttime of Friday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. We're in between weather systems Sunday. There's still a chance of a few isolated thunder showers, but I do think the main activity is west of us into the Mississippi Valley. And then as that upper level trough starts inching in, we get a more active pattern here heading into next week, starting as early as Monday. we start increasing the chance of daily scattered showers and thunderstorms. For now, we're going to go with scattered. We'll still assess things and monitor to see if we need to up those rain chances next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.